The Lava Play Max is Lava's upcoming gaming-centric smartphone, set to launch before the end of the year. The device would be available in India first because Lava is an Indian brand before it gets to other markets. Anyway, the device is already generating buzz, so let's quickly dive into its top details. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications. So without further ado, let's dive into it. So first off, the Lava Play Max supports dual nano SIM and comes with IP54 rating, meaning it is dust proof and can handle light splashes. It doesn't mean that the device is entirely water resistant, okay? The phone has a 6.72-inch LCD panel with a 120Hz refresh rate. The resolution is 1080 by 2400 pixels, which means it is Full HD+. Under the hood, it's powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 7300 chipset built on a 4nm process. Graphics is handled by the Mali G615 MC2 GPU. This combination isn't the best when it comes to gaming, but it can handle some light games on Play Store. It cannot handle the top tier games like PUBG on the max settings, but you can still expect decent gaming performance on this device. On the memory side, Lava offers 128GB of storage with either 6 or 8GB RAM, plus it supports microSD card via a shared SIM slot. The storage uses UFS 3.1, so loading times and app launches should be snappy. For photography, the Lava Play Max features a dual rear camera setup. The main shooter is a 50MP wide sensor with face detection autofocus, and there's a secondary camera whose specs haven't been disclosed yet. It supports 4K video recording, while the selfie camera is a single 8MP lens capable of 1080p videos at 30fps. You also get a handy LED flash for low light shots. Now the phone is backed by a massive 5000 mAh battery and supports 33 watts wire charging, which according to Lava takes roughly 83 minutes to reach 100%. Now this battery life is perfect for a gaming device because with such a large battery you should be able to game for extended periods of time. Other features includes a 3.5mm headphone jack, which is real nice. The device supports Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.2, GPS and other essential navigation systems are all supported. Unfortunately, the device doesn't support NFC, and you get a USB Type-C 2.0 with OTG support. Security-wise, you get a side-mounted fingerprint sensor along other unspecified sensors. Now, the Play Max comes in Decan Black and Himalayan White colorways and is expected to have a starting price at around $130. I don't know if this is correct. With these specs, I'm expecting the device to cost over $200 easy, but there is no official price yet and no official release date currently. But these are the top features of the Lava Play Max. What are your thoughts? Feel free to share them in the comments section below. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next update. Peace out.